In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add text to any 3D print in PrusaSlicer. Before we get started, you want to make sure that your PrusaSlicer is on expert mode because if you're on beginner mode, it won't have as much options as if you were in expert mode. From here, you then want to import your 3D print. Basically, in my case, it's going to be the simple cylinder shape, or I mean the simple rectangle shape. And to proceed, you then want to press T on your keyboard, which will then automatically head us over to the text function or the emboss function. Now to get started, you just want to type the preferred text you want to apply to your 3D print. In my case, I'm going to put something like guide to everything. And then of course you have the ability to edit out the font, the height, depth. Now if you want to make it even more pop up, of course you can add a depth into the text itself or to the emboss function. And of course we have some style if you want to apply that. From there, that's basically it on how you can add text to any 3D print in PrusaSlicer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.